The space economy continues to grow at a rapid rate. Today, the space economy globally is about $500 billion a year of economic activity, growing to about $1.8 trillion a year at least by 2035, over the next decade. Now what we're seeing though is there's a persistent economy in space. That allows the space economy and industries that are working in space to have a persistent growth profiles as we move forward into the future. MDA Space is a trusted mission partner because of two things: our heritage, our experience delivering sensors and robotics and operational support to robotic operations in orbit, and second, because of our agility. We're able to move with our customers at the speed they need us to move, so they get proven capability from our experience in space. And then they get that at the pace and the price that they need it.
MDA Space is very proud to be an industry leader in space robotics and operations. Most proud as the developer of the iconic Canadarm technology. We've supported more than 90 space shuttle missions and more than 20 years of critical operations on the International Space Station, all enabled by our space robotics. We're so excited to now bring that to the commercial world for all of these new exciting emerging missions that our partners are thinking of. MDA Skymaker is our commercial suite of space robotics products and services. We take decades of our experience, lessons learned, knowledge, and a little bit of scar tissue in designing, developing, and operating space robotics, and are very excited to offer it to the commercial world.
MDA Skymaker supports a huge range of use cases, all the way from low Earth orbit through geostationary orbit into deep space. As the International Space Station goes to end of life, there's a move to the commercial space stations. So MDA Skymaker will support a huge range of activity in those commercial space stations in low Earth orbit. The MDA Space Robotics Center of Excellence is located at our headquarters just outside of Toronto, Canada. The MDA Space Robotics Center of Excellence is going to offer an exciting new capability, which is an operations center. So we're going to have a team of qualified, highly trained space operations experts that can operate robotics on the surface of the moon, in low Earth orbit, anywhere a customer needs us to perform that mission-critical operations capability.
Solutioneering at MDA Space is one of our secret weapons. I think that is one of our biggest superpowers and strengths, working with the customer and to be able to meet their mission requirements. MDA Space has a tremendous role to play in that. All of those systems will not involve necessarily humans working on all that space infrastructure. So the role for sensors and robotics, for proximity operations, all of these things are going to see great expansion in both space exploration and the science associated with that as we move forward into the future.
As the space market continues to grow, we are seeing more countries and companies going to space, not only to live, to work, to play, but to conduct business. With decades of experience of building the largest complex in-space infrastructure projects the world has ever seen, we are very excited that MDA Skymaker can play a key role in not only enabling those missions, but having those missions succeed for years and years to come.
MDA Space will come up with the right solution to make the mission successful, using the most innovative engineering techniques possible and considering the full mission requirement to meet mission needs.